Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here. The growth in my channel means so much to me, and I really appreciate each and every one of you who has subscribed, interacted with me. I just enjoy it so much, and it really does help me grow. So again, thank you guys so much. A lot of my new following has come from my last Jeffree Star video. I do still have the Beautylish box coming. It was supposed to be here by today, but unfortunately with the mail and everything going the way it is, it seems like it will not be here until Monday. So hopefully you join me back then as well. If my lighting looks weird, it's because I'm about to have a new setup and there's a whole situation going behind me that's changing the lighting. And that is it. Today we're going to be jumping into the Ipsy, regular Ipsy bag, but it feels kind of heavy. I think I might have had some add-ons. We'll see in a second. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful week, and let's just dive right in. How is everybody's week going? Hopefully well. What a wild week it has been, right? Let's all just stay positive in the thoughts of, you know, change, and it's going to be a better year, right? And change starts today. So this is a very cute bag. Excuse my nails. I have not been able to go to the salon, but yeah, so this is the new bag. I did open the other bag and it was like a Santa bag that said dreams as well. It was not see-through, but this one's pretty cute. It does feel like, doesn't feel cheap. I don't want to say that, but it feels like if you use it too much, it would get like that plastic tear kind of thing. It reminds me of like a bathing suit bag. You could definitely use this in the summer as like a bikini bag or something as well. And I do feel other stuff in here, so let me just check what the stuff is before. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, so I got the, is it Le Rouge? I don't know, whatever, brushes, and I did like them, so I ended up ordering these on add-on as well. And I believe that these are eye brushes. Let's open them up and see. Ooh. Oh my. Okay, so they are face brushes, actually. These are so soft. There's face brushes, 2 eye brushes, a powder or blush brush, and then a, could be contour or highlight, or could be many different things actually. So I like the blue handles on them. I think my other ones have black handles. Do you guys have these? I feel like a lot of people have been getting these in their Ipsys, and I'm just wondering what other people think about them. Because part of me, like, I really like them and I want to keep them, but I've also just ordered a really nice brush set because I think brushes do change your makeup application so much. So now I'm like in between, like where I'm like, I just got a nice brush set, and you know, do I keep them? Do I not keep them? All right, and then there's some other things that are in here. Okay, these were at, well, no. One of this came in my bag, so I'll set it aside. But then I did an add-on of the Foxy Bay Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask, which is good because I know you guys probably can't see it, but I actually put some purple ombre in my hair. There you can see it. You'll be able to see a lot better with my new setup, but there's so many different lights coming from so many different directions right now, so it kind of looks a little bit different. So I did order this, I believe. And I actually ordered it before I knew I was even gonna, it was a last second decision while I was at the salon where I was like, let's just go purple today. And then I ordered this because I love Purlisse. I have the face mask that I got in my regular, oh no, I'm sorry, my Glam Bag Plus, and I enjoy the Purlisse brand a lot. I did get the 4-in-1, I think it's 4-in-1, or the milk cleanser of this line, so I wanted to try the Blue Lotus Balanced Moisturizer as well. It's for oil combination, normal, and even sensitive skin. I can get a little bit oily in the T-zone, and then as well as really dry in other places. I'm a little bit of combination, certainly not oily, but I would say normal, and then I can get sensitive around here. So hopefully this works well for me. I do say, I've said it a few times in my videos that I'm a big skincare person. When I say like I have skincare, like I could do an entire month of Purlisse, I could do an entire month of Milk, entire month of Elemis, entire month of Glam Glow, I could do an entire month of which I don't buy Glam Glow because they test on animals, but I do have their stuff so I could do it. I've been keeping up like all of my things and trying to keep them as a set. What other sets do I have? Oh, Glow Recipe, which I have done before and I would love to do again. And I really would like to do either 2-week to monthly tests where I show you guys my skin in the beginning of the month, and I'll put some pictures up along in the video of maybe like my first month of the box, and then I'm sorry, first box of the month, and then maybe you know, show you what my skin looks like throughout, you know, the middle of the month, and then show you what it looks like in the beginning of the next month when I get my first box on that month. Let me know down below if that's something you're interested in, if you do like skincare, if you're trying to figure out what's going to be good for you, if you just like to see how things perform, just let me know. And it's something I'd love to do because I've collected so much stuff with the thoughts to do it. I just have not put it together yet. And then also let me know what brands you'd like me to try. Oh, I have Ola Hendrickson. Oh, listen, I have an addiction for skincare and I can't even use it all up. And then when I get it in skincare boxes and I like one product, I tend to be like, oh, well, every time I see it, you know, and it's at a very cheap price, I'll pick that part of it up too so I can try it with that brand. You guys get the picture. You guys probably either do it with makeup or skincare as well. So those are my two add-ons, long and short. More long, I suppose, right? I had a Gold Fawn MD Bright Eyes. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure if this is one of my extras yet. We have to find out, but let's open that right now. Okay, so I said this is the bag. I do know that this was part of my bag because I did see this part of it. It was the one thing I picked, and it is a brush from, I believe it's S. Let's see if we got a bag that a piece of paper that tells us anything. Because it seems like every time that I think that it's not going to tell us anything, it does. And then every time I actually look, oh, and like I said, we do have it. It does tell us this. So this is the SL Miss Glam P30 Angled Blusher Brush in Lilac. That is a mouthful. And this is full size, I would have to assume, right? And they're saying this is $19.50. Where I will say that, like I was picking my nose, where I will say that it's like a beautiful brush. It's super pretty. Even the like beautiful like ombre lavender at the top. It doesn't feel the most high end. I would definitely not be paying $19 for it, but maybe other people would, and I'm not hating on that. It's a very pretty brush for sure. So I did get that in my bag. I got this. I'm not sure if this is part of it because I do see 5 products in here. So maybe it was just like a add-on. I don't know. I didn't buy it, that's for sure. Okay, and then my next product on here is the, oh my gosh, it's so bright here. I'm sorry, guys. It is the Glow On 5th Hydrate Renew Replenish Night Cream. The MSRP on a full size of this is $24, and this is, you would just use a few drops of this on your neck and face at nighttime. So it's just a renewing mask for nighttime. Glow On 5th Beauty. I have never heard of them, but hey, who knows? My next thing is, let me take it out of the little bubble wrap. It's taped in there. Yikes. Also, I just wanted to tell you guys too, I would like you guys, when I do get my Jeffree Star box, I do want to do a little bit more of my like self-love talk in that video as well, because like I said, I tend to get a lot of views on that one, and I think that's a good place to talk about the next thing I want to talk to, because if I can get it out to as many people as I can, that means a lot to me. I know that those of you that have stuck with me from the beginning and followed understand that my goal here is to be able to take beauty subscription boxes and not only discuss the things that are making us beautiful on the outside, but to heal and discuss the things that make us beautiful on the inside. So I do have something that I'm in the works of talking to you guys about, and maybe making like a monthly challenge for all of us. So stick with me on that one. The box is supposed to be here Monday. You know, as soon as I get the box, I will have it open and we will go into it. So this is the Clara's New York Moisturizing Rose Hip Facial Oil Serum. Rose does not seem to be like being great with my skin, but it could just be the product I'm using. And this is the deluxe sample, but the MSRP on a full size of this is $24, which is not bad when you think for a facial serum, if it's really going to be great, you know? And it says, this is a blend of rosehip oil and a vitamin E moisturizer that repairs stressed out skin for a glowy look, while vitamin A provides cell turnover and smooth your skin to brighten the tone. It doesn't say when to use it, so I guess you could use it whenever. And again, I've never heard from Clara's New York, not to be confused with Clarins, but Clara's. The next thing I got here is this a lip gloss? It is a lip gloss, so this is really getting washed out for you guys, so let me just do this real quick. And this little guy, card upside down, this little guy is the Jewel Smith Beauty Power Gloss in, you can't see my eye, a Power Gloss in Bling Berry. What's your favorite gemstone? We guarantee Jewel Smith has a beauty product to match it, like this beautiful berry tinted lip gloss. It is inspired by the power of rubies. Okay, so every time you swipe it across your lips, we hope you'll be feeling energized, courageous, and love. That's cute. That's very cute. And this says, tip, turn your favorite matte or cream pink lip colors to a juicy gloss by layering this right on top. It's probably a pretty color just to use on its own as well. And the MSRP of this at a full size is $18. It's a hefty priced lip gloss. I do like the idea of like gemstones being behind it and like what they want you to feel when they, you know, you wear each of them. I did actually go with purple in my hair because purple is my favorite color. Amethysts are calming. I have a love for amethyst, and the color purple is supposed to be calming to people as well. And it means like good vibes, where like blue is like just calming. Purple is supposed to mean like calming, but also good vibes, good energy around you. So the last and final thing I have here. Oh, I'm excited for this. Okay, so this is by Youth to the People, and I've been wanting to try more Youth to the People stuff. So you just let me know down there, and my behind will probably be grabbing some Youth to the People stuff. So this is the Youth to the People oh my gosh, I can't believe I can't say this word. The stuff that you drink when you're sick. I cannot believe I cannot think of how to say this right now. Oh my gosh. Kombucha? Oh my goodness. You know, brain stuff. But anyhow, it is an 11% AHA exfoliating power toner. This exfoliating toners are having a moment, and we can't get enough of this plant-based formula. Plant-based, awesome. It uses powerful AHAs, lactic and glycolic acid, to dissolve the glue that holds together dead, dulling skin. The results? Brighter, smoother skin day by day. There's a tip to always use SPF as a part of your routine when you exfoliate with acids. You should technically be using it all the time, but absolutely when you use like any type of retinols, AHAs, BHAs, any type of lactic acid, glycolic acid, all of those acids, right? And this as a full price is $38. I've heard amazing things about Youth to the People. I don't know if anybody watches Skincare by Hiram, but I'm a big fan, and he loves Youth to the People. From what I understand, it's not the most expensive, but it's definitely not all the way cheap as well. A full size of this is almost $40. It's not Tatcha, but it's also not the ordinary. So, yeah, that's my bag. I love it. All in all, I think it was a okay bag. This is absolutely my favorite product that I'm excited about. You can never go wrong with a hydrating mask, especially for a dry skinned girl. I'm still not sure what this is. Maybe like a trial size of something. And then, like I said, I'm not so sure about the rosehip oil. And then you could always use a gloss. And then I am happy that I got some Foxy Bay products because I do love their actual like straighteners and curling ones. So all in all, it's a decent box. Yeah, I would say it was like 4 out of 5 stars. I am excited to see what happens next month when we get our Glam Bag X's. For those of you that are getting it, please let me know down in the columns, what do you think, you know, is going to come of this? What are you excited about? And, you know, I think that with Patrick Ta, anything that he picks and the things he makes, I'm excited for. I love his, like, the way he names things, like she's so LA or she's not from here. Like, I don't know. It just gives you an all-around experience. And Patrick Ta is one of the top makeup artists around. I think it's great that they eliminated the Ultimate because it wasn't doing so great and people weren't really happy with it. So when it comes to giving people exactly what they want, I think this could be the BoxyCharm Luxe Killer. You heard it here first. Luxe has been going downhill. My next video I am taping is my Luxe. That will be taped tomorrow because I want to do a full look with the Ofra full face palette and see, what the full face, what that looks like. I do have the Jeffree Star one coming, like I said, Monday. And I think that's it. I might have a Morphe haul coming. Let me know if you guys would like for me to talk to you about that. As a heads up, Morphe has been having 30% off from the last time I checked. As of yesterday, they were still having it. It's 30% off, even all of their sale stuff. So throughout the site and all their sale stuff. So I picked up some goodies. And I am doing a giveaway. So when you watch the Jeffree Star one, I'm doing my first real giveaway. I'm so thankful for the amount of people that have joined, and I want to give certain people some shout outs. And I do want to shout out some people, and I'm going to have a list of a few people. I have shouted out a couple people in my other videos, but I saw that one of the people I shouted out was Truly MKE. He is such a great person who's always showing me love. He shows the community a lot of love, and we've kind of built a small community around a couple of us that comment on each other's videos and give each other support, and I really enjoy that. We all met on one of his videos, and he does this thing where he wants to pick a creator each week and talk about them. I am shouting out this week, I guess you would say, or this video, Sabrina's unboxings and more. You will actually see another video of me while I unbox some underwear or unbag some underwear. I did an unbagging and then realized that I think it was December's, so I might add December's, and I just got a January one in, so I might like add those two, put them together. And the subscription is called Naughty Knickers. So what it is it's underwear. It's a subscription underwear where you can pick out 3 different there are 3 different underwear sent to you. You can pick out the style that you like. Look out for that soon. You'll be seeing it from me, and you can see it right now from Sabrina first if you'd like. So again, that's Sabrina. Sabrina's unboxings and more. Check her out, and of course check Truly MKE out. And I will see you guys on the next one, which should be probably tomorrow. And then, like I said, Monday we'll have another one with the Jeffree Star when it's here. And I will have a giveaway. And I have a few people that I've really been interested in shouting out. And there will be another video, and I'm starting a challenge for you guys. Okay? So look out for that one as well. So 3 more videos this month, one of which is a challenge, one's going to be a giveaway. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for joining me, for sharing your light and your love with me, for commenting, for being kind souls in my comments. And I haven't encountered any mean ones, and I truly appreciate you all for that. And, keep sending out love and light to the world, guys. Check on the people that are close to you, and I think we're in for a good change. Okay? All right. I love you all. Sending light and love. Have a good week, guys.